Welcome to our video where we dive into the world of hair clippers, specifically comparing the KIKIDO and GLAKER models. Both of these clippers promise to deliver a professional haircut experience at home, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we'll break down their features, performance, and value for money to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the KIKIDO hair clippers are available for $69, making them a more affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the GLAKER hair clippers are priced at $79, which may be justified by their additional features and performance. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many potential buyers. The KIKIDO hair clippers feature a high-torque motor, but the exact RPM is unspecified. On the other hand, the GLAKER hair clippers boast an impressive 6,500 RPM motor, providing a more powerful cutting experience. This difference in motor performance can significantly affect the efficiency of haircutting, especially for thicker hair types. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider. The KIKIDO clippers offer a remarkable 5-hour runtime on a full charge, making them ideal for extended use. In contrast, the GLAKER clippers provide a runtime of 150 minutes. While both are rechargeable, the KIKIDO's longer battery life may appeal to those who need more time between charges. In conclusion, both the KIKIDO and GLAKER hair clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. The KIKIDO offers a more budget-friendly option with longer battery life, while the GLAKER provides superior motor performance and additional features. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.